Welcome to PLA's Topic Explorer Series, English Language Arts Edition. Today, we will discover the fundamentals of research, essential throughout your academic journey. Let's dive in. Research Fundamentals, Essential Skills for Beginning Your Research. Presented by Progressive Learning Academy Canada, your partner in virtual learning. Visit us at www.thinkpla.ca to learn more. Today you will discover strategies for sourcing relevant data from a multitude of online platforms. Learn to utilize efficient search terms and evaluate the credibility and precision of each source. See the example on the right for search term. And remember to utilize notes for increased retention. Basic research skills. With a topic in mind, here are the initial steps to begin your research journey. 1. Use quality sources. 2. Use online search modifiers. And 3. Skim and scan. Check out the descriptions below. And remember to pause the video as needed, there's no rush. Online search modifiers. When you're doing research online, use these modifiers along with your search terms to find more accurate and specific results. Try using the terms and, or, and minus, and lastly use quotation marks. Be sure to read through the examples and make keynotes. Keep up the great work. Search examples. Experiment with the following mixtures of search terms and modifiers in a search engine. When searching renewable energy and solar, this searches sites where the exact phrase renewable energy appears alongside solar, which will yield results specifically focused on solar renewable energy. See the other example. Search tips. Were the results as you anticipated? What other combinations of search terms could also yield effective outcomes? Here are some factors to consider when conducting online searches or using a database. Refrain from typing full questions into the search box. Verify you're examining organic search results, not just advertisements or sponsored listings. Employ 3 to 4 search terms concurrently to fine-tune your search results. Research reading strategies. When reviewing numerous sources, employ these techniques to enhance your reading efficiency. 1. Skimming enables rapid processing of a substantial volume of information. Read the initial sentence of each paragraph to grasp the overall essence of your reference material. 2. Scanning entails quickly searching through the text to locate specific information, such as keywords, dates, or names, without reading every word or sentence. Nice work. Remember, take your time. Credibility check. 1. Source type. Carefully analyze the nature of the source. Is it a book, a web article, a scholarly paper, or a news article? 2. Up to date. Verify the publication date. Is the information recent or has it been recently updated? 3. URL. Check if the website's domain ends in edu or .org, suggesting it may belong to an educational institution or a nonprofit organization. 4. Authorship. Consider the expertise of the author in the subject matter. Is the publisher reputable and established? Importance of note-taking. Note-taking, retention, and organization are crucial aspects of successful research. Here's why they matter and some tips to help you. 1. Importance. Note-taking helps you capture key ideas, quotations, and references for later use. Retention aids in remembering important information, allowing for better understanding and analysis. Organization ensures that you can easily locate and utilize your research findings efficiently. 2. Tips for organization. Establish a clear system for storing and categorizing your notes, whether digitally or physically. Utilize folders, labels, or tags to classify your research materials by topic, source, or relevance. Regularly update and refine your organizational system as your research progresses to maintain efficiency. Why not start your note-taking journey right now? Summary. Research entails more than simply using your topic or question to search for references. Below are some skills that can be invaluable when beginning a research endeavor. 1. Identifying and using reliable sources. Always perform a quick credibility assessment by examining the resource type, author, website link or URL, and its currency. 2. Combining search terms with modifiers. Utilize key ideas as search terms and merge them with modifiers like and, or, and quotation marks. 3. Skimming and scanning. Employing these methods will assist you in navigating through more resources and promptly pinpointing those most relevant to your topic. And remember, when researching, always organize your notes for improved retention and ease of access. Excellent job today! Thanks for watching! We hope you found this episode of PLA's Topic Explorer Series both helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please hit that like button. Happy learning!